In this video we will be looking at how to assemble the stands. The three parts in front of me are the core components, and the accessories behind me are the parts required to build the stands up. First thing to do is attach the column to the base. If you line the bolts up with the holes, you should be able to just drop it in like so. And once we've done this, we can take the brakes off and turn it upside down. You should have 4 washers and 4 nuts. Then secure into place. Once your base and column is upright, ensure that your back column is tilted to approximately 45 degrees and that the plastic parts at the side are facing upwards. Take the leg assembly and ensure that the barrel nuts in the centre are vertical, and then this can be slided into the 5-hole back column. Once both barrel nuts are in, you can tilt the whole stands so it's horizontal. Take the 4 barrel nuts and simply slide them into the 4 holes in the plastic. Ensure that the hole is pointing upwards. This way the screws can slot into place. And these can be tightened into place. Also make sure to tighten the 2 central bolts, as this will secure the leg assembly to the back column. Once this stage is done, you can tilt it forwards again, and we'll be ready to put on our hip guides. Ensure that your hip guides are pointing downwards. There is a right hand side and a left hand side. Place the washer on and then the nut. Secure into place. And the same on the other side. Next to go on are your thoracics. And again, there's a right hand side and a left hand side for these. Again, we put the washer on first and then the nut. You can always pull the bracket out slightly to help make it a bit easier. The cushions go on like so, and just attach to the Velcro on the support boards. The back pad hooks over the 2 bolts at the back and can be brought forward and secured in place with the Velcro underneath. The pelvic support can be threaded through. Now if we tilt the stands again, we can add our knee blocks, and these use marquee clamps, so no tool. You simply slide on like so and you tighten the wing knob to fasten securely. And the same with the foot plate. While we're down this end, we can fasten the sandals in place. The nut itself is inside the sandal. And now a few final accessories to put on the back. To do this, I'm going to turn this round. This part will slot in to the back port, like so, and again tighten the wing knobs to secure it in place. the end cap can go on like this, and then your headrest drops down onto the screws and can be tightened into place. And there we have our stones. Thank you for watching.